How to see download history on Play Store, 2026 full guide. Want to check your app download history on Google Play Store? Whether you're trying to find an old app you deleted or just want to see what you installed before, I'll show you exactly how to view your download history step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, the same account used to download the apps before. Step 1. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner, tap your profile picture. This opens your account menu. Step 2. Tap Manage Apps and Device from the menu, select Manage Apps and Device. This section shows your installed apps and app history. Step 3. Open the Manage tab at the top, tap the Manage tab. Here you'll see all apps connected to your account. Step 4. Change installed to not installed, tap the filter that says installed and change it to not installed. Now Google Play will show apps you previously downloaded using this account, but are not currently installed on your phone. This is your download history. Step 5. Search for old apps, scroll through the list or use the search icon to find a specific app. You can reinstall any app directly from here by tapping the download icon. Important note, this history is linked to your Google account, not just your current phone. So even apps downloaded on old Android devices can appear here if you use the same account. Bonus tip: if you use multiple Gmail accounts, check each one. Many users think their app history disappeared, but the app was actually downloaded using another Google account. And that's it. Now you know how to see your download history on Google Play Store quickly and easily. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Which old app were you trying to find?